Understanding, drowning in sorrows. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very expressive phrase in the English language, drowning in sorrows. This idiom is rich in imagery and emotion, and understanding it can add depth to your comprehension and usage of English. Whether you're a language learner or simply curious about English expressions, this video is for you. Let's explore what it means to be drowning in sorrows, its origins, and how you can use it in conversation. The phrase, drowning in sorrows, is used to describe a deep and overwhelming feeling of sadness or grief. When someone says they are drowning in their sorrows, they are metaphorically saying that their sadness is so intense, it's as if they are being submerged underwater, unable to breathe or escape. This expression vividly captures the feeling of being overwhelmed by negative emotions, to the point where it feels all-consuming. While the exact origin of drowning in sorrows is difficult to pin down, it's clear that the imagery of drowning has been used for centuries to describe being overwhelmed, not just with sadness but with any intense emotion or situation. The use of water imagery to represent emotional depth shows how universal and powerful these feelings can be, transcending cultures and languages. 1. Expressing empathy. You can use this phrase when trying to show empathy towards someone who is going through a tough time. For example, "I'm so sorry to hear about your loss. It must feel like you're drowning in sorrows right now." 2. Describing personal experiences. It's also a way to express your own feelings during difficult periods. Saying, "I've been drowning in my sorrows since I heard the news," conveys a profound sense of sadness. 3. In literature and art. This phrase is commonly used in books, movies, and songs to describe characters or situations laden with grief. Recognizing it can enhance your understanding of cultural references. We hope this exploration of drowning in sorrows has enriched your understanding of English expressions and the depth of emotion they can convey. This phrase is a powerful reminder of the strength of language in expressing human feelings. Remember, learning these expressions not only helps in language proficiency but also in connecting with others on a deeper level. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to exploring more fascinating aspects of the English language together. Stay curious and keep learning.